Hello and welcome to Sarah's Delights. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken pasta. Here is the list of ingredients. You will need to boil some pasta in a big pot with lots of water. Boil until the pasta is nice and soft. Once it's boiled, rinse in a colander with cold water and leave aside. Heat a pan and put in about 4 tablespoons of oil. I have these ingredients ready to put in now. 2 cloves of garlic, 1 onion finely chopped, half a tomato chopped, and about 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Put the garlic into the pan and heat until golden brown. Next goes the onion, and then the tomatoes on top, so give it a little stir and then you'll be ready for the spices and salt. Now I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander and cumin mix powder, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, but you can adjust according to your taste. Mix it all in and mix with the ginger garlic paste. You can also add some tinned chopped tomatoes to make the colour a bit more richer. And stir and cover for a few minutes. Uncover and stir again. Add a little bit of water so it doesn't stick or burn, and then cover again just for a few minutes. While the onion is cooking, I'm going to cut up 2 pieces of chicken breast. I have cut them into pieces like this, then I will cut them into small strips. The chicken is ready, cut and washed. Place the chicken in the pan and stir. Cover and cook for about 10 minutes on medium heat. After 10 minutes, add in the optional broccoli and stir, cover again and leave for another 10 minutes to cook. Once the broccoli is cooked, add in the pasta and stir. Stir it fully and cover and leave to cook for another few minutes until everything blends in. Sprinkle some cheese on top and let it melt. Looking yummy, ready to serve. Here's the finished product. Enjoy it with garlic bread, toasted bread, or whatever else takes your fancy. Please comment, like and subscribe. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.